What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we got a 2004 Acura MDX. This one does have the navigation, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. Now, I'm not actually installing a radio. This will only be a radio removal because I got to hook up this satellite radio deal. And if you guys want to know how to hook up a Sirius XM, then hit that card in the corner. But we're going to go ahead and get into it. If this is your first time here at the channel, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we do here. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. First thing you want to do is actually fairly easy. We're going to take a flat profile. Let's just go ahead and use our panel remover, our little plastic one. And we're going to come down in here. Start on the outside edge, actually. Like the outside edge right here. But once you get that, this whole front part is just held in by clips. So once we get a couple of clips popped up, you see that? Should be able to just use your hands and go around all the other edges. And everything else should just pop out. God dang. Those are in there kind of tight. There we go. All right, so we have two harnesses. We got a passenger airbag, and we have this hazard light. I'm gonna go ahead and take the hazard light out. Press that little knob in right there, slide that whole back. All right, now I went on ahead and disconnected that harness too. Now since that one did go to the passenger airbag, you want to be sure and be careful that you do not put that key in the ignition and turn it on without that being back plugged in, because you don't want to shoot any type of airbag codes or anything like that. Now all we got to do is take out all these Phillips. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3 on each side. We're gonna go ahead and take those out, and we should be able to take that radio out. All right, and with all those screws out, just lift up on that boy, and boom, there you have it. So, like I said, I'm actually just gonna tap into these wires right here because I need to catch power ground remote from a satellite radio. But if you guys find any type of value in this video, man, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Also, the Patreon link will be in the description if you guys want to be further supporters. That's actually the end of this video. Tune in till next time when, shoot, I don't know, I'll be working on any type of car. Man, I love y'all, man. Peace, be easy.